So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to search profiles on Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your Messenger, and to search a message or a profile you should have to tap on search icon, which is available on the top bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Now you can see your keyboard will be automatically opened by Meta. So search a message like this. Then you will found an account, so tap on an account where you want to send message like this. Now see, we have successfully searched message in Messenger, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.